Hi, so today I'm going to take myself completely out of my comfort zone and I'm going to do some baking. I had a Portuguese tart last night, that sounds so wrong, which was really nice, and I kind of figured that I could probably make them a little bit better. So I'm going to try and make them. I think they're also known as pastilla stinata. Don't shoot me if I've got that wrong though. Okay, so I've got 2 sheets of ready rolled puff pastry which I've just brushed with some icing sugar, which I think is supposed to help make it a little bit more golden. Not making my own puff pastry because I've done it once before and it's an absolute nightmare. 500 ml of full fat milk, 485 grams of golden caster sugar, 6 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, a lemon rind and a cinnamon stick, and 80 grams of plain flour. I've also got 2 muffin tins in the fridge that I have buttered and I'm leaving to keep cool. Okay, so we're just going to roll them up like that, and then if you cut each of them into 11 sections. Okay, so if you just roll each disc out, until you've got about that thickness. Okay, so I've done all the pastry and I've popped them into a baking tray. So I'm going to do the filling now. So you just need to put your milk on the heat and put in your cinnamon stick and your lemon rind. We literally just want to get that to simmering stage and then we're going to take it off the heat again. Okay, so we're just simmering, so I'm going to just take those out now and take it off the heat. Okay, so we're just mixing 1/3 of the milk into the flour to form a paste. Okay, so this milk, the remaining milk, is now up to boiling. I'm just going to put the vanilla essence in there. And then I'm going to whisk in the thickened flour paste. So you need to just vigorously whisk this for a few minutes until it's completely smooth. Okay, so I totally just put that through the blender because my whisk was nowhere near good enough. And I've got that fairly smooth now. Okay, so we need another pan and we need 200 ml of water, which I actually missed off the original recipe. And you're going to go in with your sugar. Okay, so we're just going to mix the sugar and water mixture until it starts to dissolve and melt and starts to form into threads. Okay, so that's just starting to form strands now. So another minute or so, and I'm going to combine the flour and milk mixture into it very slowly to form a sort of double cream consistency. Okay, so if you keep whisking until it's about this sort of consistency, it doesn't really matter if it's a little bit lumpy. Okay, so you just want your eggs in a large bowl and we're going to strain the liquid over the eggs slowly and whisk it through. Okay, so you can see that's fairly smooth now. So I'm going to pour that into the custard cases. Okay, so we're just going to fill the pastry cases to about 1 centimetre below the top. Okay, so they're all done and we're going to pop them in the oven for about 15 minutes. And you want your oven as hot as it will go. Okay, so there we have it, Portuguese tarts. Not quite turned out as good as I would have liked them to, but I know that baking is not my forte, but they taste really good.